Look, we're at the beach.
All right. We have been married for 4 years. We're moving from Portland, Oregon. We have 2 boys, Peter, who is 2.5, and Henry, who is 1. A crazy dog, Millie, and a grouchy old cat named Tokar. So we don't mess around. If this weather's gonna be like this, I am okay with it.
Yeah. I am a software engineer. I've taken a job with a startup here in Lisbon. When we first had this conversation, I made the assumption that this was a non-starter. Finally, I said, Sarah, you know, what do you think about this? And just right on the tip of her tongue, we're going.
We've always wanted to move abroad, and we thought this would be a really cool opportunity to give our kids and ourselves. Woo! But this is a big risk for us. I am quitting my job to be a stay-at-home mom. He's also taking a pay cut.
Yeah, we both have our concerns about this move. My worst fear is that Sarah will just be bored and at home with our young children, which could have a significant impact on our relationship.
Yeah.
But to us, that's worth it. We're excited. We've been to Lisbon before.
It has a really cool vibe, it has great music, it's a big foodie town, and there's beautiful weather. That's something that I think will be really nice and a change coming from Oregon.
Lisbon, it's a capital city, but it's surrounded by nature and beaches. And then you have a beautiful coastline that has one village after the other that got developed after the train line was built. So it's a really cool place for Ben and Sarah.
It's really important to me to find something great for our family, because if it was up to Ben, he would live in a shack right near the beach and totally live that vagabond bohemian lifestyle. That's not reality, because we have children and dog and a cat and myself.
Do you have any ideas where exactly you would like to live? Lisbon city center, or living on the coastline?
Somewhere between the two, I guess, sounds amazing. I will be commuting to the city center.
Walking distance to the train station?
That would be really nice.
We're definitely not big city folks, but I do want to be in a town center. It would be nice to walk to grocery stores, a playground for our kids.
I wouldn't mind being a bit closer to the beach and just a little bit more open space.
How many bedrooms do you need?
4 is probably our ideal number. Each of the boys has their own room. I will have an office, and then there'll be our room.
I would love to live in like a charming European traditional home.
Okay.
That is very cute. However, having modern conveniences and especially the interior finishes, much preferable for me. I understand your rustic charm, position. However, I don't want to end up in a dark little hole with brown tile floor, and this is what I'm picturing anyway. Would prefer an updated kitchen if possible. I do all the cooking.
Because we have a border collie dog, it would be great to have a yard. We have kids that are about to potty train, so a washer and dryer would be great.
Do you have any idea how much you would like to spend?
About $3,000 a month.
3,000 flexible or 3,000?
Can be flexible.
I would prefer we stay closer to 3,000.
We'll see about that.
Sarah loves to spend money, and sometimes the brakes do need applying. So I will probably be the stickler most on the financial side of things.
There are the needs and the wishes, so I really need to make the needs more important than the wishes. So my strategy is trying to find a property that will suit both of them. Traditional Portuguese, but as modern as it can be for Ben. We are exactly in between Cascais and Lisbon.
Oh, I love this. Look at this rustic charm.
This is called Santa Mar de Oeiras. This is a very Portuguese neighborhood. If you go down this street, you'll be in the historical center of Oeiras. There is nice cafes, restaurants. This property is like 5 minutes walking distance to the train station. I think this property is very suitable for them. This is the property. This apartment has 4 bedrooms and it's 2-story apartment.
So is there any outdoor space?
Not for the top floor, unfortunately, but
Okay.
10 minutes walking distance, you are at the beach, okay?
And what is the price?
It's $2,550 per month.
That's below what we were thinking. The price on the apartment is great. That does give us a little bit of room to move.
Welcome to the property.
Ooh, I love these floors. Very rustic. Ooh,
yeah.
this is really pretty.
Love the high ceilings.
Look at the windows. This feels very open.
This you can use as a TV room. You can even close these doors.
This feels very Portuguese.
It doesn't excite me as much as it does you, but you know.
Okay, okay.
So, Ben, this could be your office.
It's perfect. Shut the kids out. They'll be your problem again.
Real nice. Ben is such a goon sometimes, and he knows exactly how to press my buttons.
So this will be your kitchen.
I love it. Look at this Portuguese tile here.
Wood ceiling, I like. It's kind of cool, but it feels a bit like a sauna in here. I know she's chasing the rustic charm, but I feel like I would be living at my grandparents' in this house.
This is the main bedroom.
Okay. It is on the smaller side.
That's the bathroom just over there if you want to have a
Okay.
quick look.
But yeah, it's nice. This is really open, but there is no door. So if you're going to the bathroom, I got direct sight. That's just something I'm not interested in seeing.
Here we have the laundry area. Sarah,
This is
washing
what I'm
machine
talking about.
and dryer.
This looks great. This is really nice.
So this could be the play area for the kids.
Oh, this is a great space. I like the skylights. Those are really nice.
You have one bedroom here and another bedroom here in this end.
I love the built-in shelves here. I mean, we'll obviously need to put a baby gate here.
Also, the children on this level, if we're downstairs,
So then that means we're gonna have to bathe our kids downstairs and carry them upstairs.
the upstairs works well for the children, but bringing the children up and down the stairs would be probably the biggest problem with that place. 2550, that's well within our range.
Yeah, that feels good.
But for me, it does feel just a bit dated. I wouldn't mind something with maybe a more open layout and outdoor space for the dog.
You delivered exactly what I was looking for as far as a traditional Portuguese place, but it does bother me that the boys are gonna be upstairs and we're gonna be downstairs.
This property has the modern look that Ben is looking for.
It feels a bit dense for me. 100 other people can watch us enjoying it.
This is way too urban for him, but seeing this house, I was pleasantly surprised.
So this area, it's the newest part of Whitish. This house is further from the train station, maybe like 20 minutes walking, maybe 25.
okay.
That'll add up. This feels a bit dense and urban for me. I still want a little more open space.
This is the property that we are going to see. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, an office area.
This is great. I love the outdoor space and how it wraps around.
How far is the beach from here?
It's like a 5 minutes drive.
And how much does it cost?
$3,600 per month.
A bit more than we're looking to spend.
But it is a full house. $3,600 is a lot for our family, but I think it is worth considering.
So this is the living area.
This is really nice.
More
Look
like
how
it.
open this is.
Yeah. I really like the floors, the bright, kind of the beach vibe.
And I love that it kind of flows right in
Yeah.
To the
to
dining
the
area.
dining room. I could see you cooking and we entertaining. This is such a great space.
So here's the kitchen.
This is really nice.
So you have the integrated appliances, microwave, oven, and then the fridge and the freezer.
I do like the modern touches, but very, very white.
So Ben, and I thought this could be your office space.
It's nice. It's very spacious. No door. You'll have to stand guard outside.
Oh, I'll be the bodyguard.
Yeah, during the meeting, you just poke them with a stick when they get near.
Okay.
So this is the staircase to go upstairs. Here you have one bedroom that could be actually your guest room. Then you have the basement where the laundry is.
That's really convenient.
I like the aesthetic of these steps, but
Oh, yeah.
they're pretty treacherous.
So 2 boys' bedrooms.
I like how they're next to each other. That's nice. This is a great space.
Maybe a bit like the kitchen, it's 2 whites. The boys are going to destroy it.
Oh, this is a great space.
It's big.
I mean, if we shut this door, we have our own little oasis.
And then you have the closet and the bathroom.
Oh, yeah. This is all updated. This is a great bathroom.
So here is the terrace.
This is
Huge.
huge.
Great.
Yeah, it's huge.
Great play space.
Yeah, it has really high walls. It's nice and contained.
Yes. However,
Ooh.
100 other people can watch us enjoying it. Don't love that.
This location for Ben is way too urban. but seeing this house, I was pleasantly surprised. This is a perfect space for us. It's definitely a little bit more modern than I like, but this is a really great space.
But this one is actually the farthest from the train station, so 20 minutes each way. It's more than we're looking to spend, and it would be a stretch. If we could pick this place up and plop it down right on the beach, that would be perfect. It's great living space, but $3,600, it's too much.
I think this property is very suitable for Sarah and Ben. The interiors are actually quite modern. It has the Portuguese architecture that Sarah is going to like. It's 5 minutes walking distance to the train station and to the historical village. So this area is called the Paço de Arcos. This is where the king used to come for summertime because it gets too hot in Lisbon.
Ah,
This is
nice.
a beautiful area. It is on a hill though, so pushing a stroller is gonna be a pain.
That's a good point.
The historical villa where you can find all the shops, it's down the hill and it's pretty much flat. So that's the property that we are going to look at. It's 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
How far is the beach from here?
It's 5 minutes walking distance also.
Oh, great.
Another advantage is that it has a backyard.
That's huge for Millie and the boys.
What is the price for the apartment?
It's $2,950.
Okay,
Okay.
that's almost exactly what we're looking to spend.
This is a very special property because this is the property where I grew up.
Oh, that's really funny.
I know.
Not expecting that on this tour. That's very cool. Wow.
I really like that she grew up there. She enjoyed it, and it's really cool that we could carry on the tradition and raise our kids in the same place.
What a cool space this is. It's amazing.
Look at the floors, they look great. I am a little concerned about hitting our heads.
Looks
And
amazing.
here is the kitchen.
Wow. This is a really nice kitchen.
I love this countertop, this is really pretty.
Unfortunately, there is no washer or a dryer, but you still have the clothesline
there it is.
over here if you
There's
want to
clothesline.
dry them in the sun.
Great. Having a washer and dryer, for me, is huge. I do all the laundry.
Right. Well, I do all the cooking, so that's the deal.
So guys, here is the bathroom.
It's almost like a hotel bath.
I like
Yeah,
it.
it's modern. So there is another bathroom with a bathtub, which will be perfect for the boys.
That makes sense.
So guys, this will be your bedroom.
This
Great
is a
room.
great size room for us.
I think it's bigger than our bedroom back home.
I think it is too.
Yeah.
So this could be one of the boys' room, which is just next to yours.
I love the bigger windows. It has that traditional arch.
And you have all the bedrooms in this same level.
Oh, yeah,
right.
that's awesome.
So I thought this could be your office, Ben.
It's a very interesting space overall.
The green hedge is something different,
It would actually make for a kind of interesting conference room vibe.
but this is not turning into a man cave.
We'll see.
So this can be your living room.
Also big.
Again, high ceilings. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Look, you can see the water right here. Look, there's sailboats.
This view hasn't changed since I was a little girl. And then you have the garden in the back
Oh,
here.
nice. That's perfect for Millie and the boys.
For me, this is a home run, but we will see what she has to say. I love the modern finishes.
But it is up on a hill. We're on the 2nd floor, and there are a lot of stairs. It just doesn't feel as kid-friendly. The other downfall is that it does not have a washer and dryer. If it was up to Ben, he'd be in a shack, barely brushing his teeth and washing his clothes. He does the cooking, I do the laundry and the cleaning, so for him, having a washer and dryer isn't a big deal.
The price of this place is almost exactly what we were hoping to spend, so hard to go wrong there. It's right on target. You want me home. That's so nice.
I want your help with the kids. Let's talk about the traditional home.
Okay.
I really like the home. It had that like really nice Portuguese traditional vibe to it.
I enjoy those aesthetic details, but it's just so dated.
I really like the laundry room.
And it's also close to the beach.
What I did not like was it doesn't have any designated outdoor space. And the fact that the kids' room were on the 2nd floor,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to bathe our kids downstairs and carry them upstairs. So the modern house, even it had the modern touches, like I'm really digging it.
But it really did feel urban.
And I guess it was the furthest from the train. I loved that the washer and dryer was downstairs.
The biggest hang up is the price.
The price for this one is $3,600 per month.
Bit more than we're looking to spend. But at $2,950, the view house is right on target.
It does have outdoor space that is fenced in.
I like the office. and it's very close walking distance to the beach.
But it did not have a washer and dryer.
And you still have clothesline over here if you want to dry them in the sun.
Even though I love the traditional home, the fact that it doesn't have outdoor space and the kids would be on another level, I just don't think that's gonna work for us.
I agree.
What do you think really works for us?
We're moving halfway around the world with our 2 kids.
Yeah.
Why make it any more stressful in terms of finance?
You told Kat that you wanted this modern home, and now it just seems like you're changing it now because of the price.
Another $600 a month to stretch for the modern house.
Yeah, but it's worth it.
And the house with a view has reduced commute time. We'll get to spend more time together as a family. We should consider the cost as well.
Yeah, you're right. Especially since we're going down from 2 salaries to 1. And I don't want to add to your commute.
You want me home. That's so nice.
I want your help with the kids.
Savage.
So I guess house with a view. I mean, if we're going that way, then I think we can get another glass of wine.
We can afford another round.
Thank you, sir.
Here we are. Let's go. Okay, Millie, you ready?
This has been better than we expected.
Life in Lisbon is awesome.
The place is even better than we were imagining. The location is really awesome.
Might be able to move it up, but safe side, end of the week.
We ended up with Ben upstairs in an office, and we ended up getting a really great washer and dryer. It's exactly what I needed.
The weather's beautiful and we're outdoors all the time. The kids love it.